What's happening, guys? Welcome to the hobby channel.
Hi.
Some of you probably recognize the name change from the fishing couple to the hobby couple just because of
Ta-da!
well, Sheldon Cooper then. Fun with flags.
Talking about Cooper.
Yeah, talking about Coopers. We're going to go into our segue, brought to you by our bad financial decisions. Let's get these things untied. Oh, you've already done one side. Nice.
I've done one side, yeah.
So yeah, if you're wondering what a bad financial decision was, segue. It's not a sponsor. Wish it was. It's brought to you by our bad financial decisions. Yeah, not sponsored by it. It's brought to you by our bad financial decisions. But yeah, welcome to the zero budget, zero tool challenge.
And
Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it.
oh shit!
Hopefully it doesn't blow away while I work on it. But yeah, so it's a Mini Cooper with no fucking engine, transmission, ABS, or even power steering. Power steering pump. Try not to cut my fingers open. That's a power steering reservoir tank. The pump was down here somewhere. It's no longer there. So yeah, we are going to Kswap it. That's the plan. We've got a lot of work to do, just so we can get it prepped to actually work on.
Yep. Bloody cold.
Oh yeah, it is nippy today. Yeah, we've got a lot of work to do. A lot of tidying and cleaning and dusting and that, just to kind of, prep it.
A lot of cobwebs.
We did another strap mount. We need a new strap mount because that one's fucked. When we get a chance, we're going to get our other cameras and kind of give you a tour around the car. But yeah, there's a lot to be done, a lot to tidy up. A lot of this wiring and that's going to get dashed and gone. Yeah, so this is our project. There'll be more details coming later on once we've edited the video and got some more like little bits and pieces together. We're probably going to have a wish list up, so if you do want to help see this build happen, not asking you to send money, but it would help. Anything else to add, OG? Anything else to add?
No, nope. I just want to crack on.
Yep, so these are the brake lines. They were the brake lines. The ABS was meant to sit there. It's no longer there, so that's golden. It's gone. Happy days. I think it's literally taking part of this bracket out because, yeah, there's a screw there. So is it connected to that? No, that's like completely different. That's separate there.
No, you just, try not to cut myself. This.
Yeah, but it came along here, which is no longer there. So yeah, we've got a lot to do. Yeah, we're gonna just crack on. Probably do like a little time lapse as us going through it all and get some thingies, and we'll just dub the rest of it. But yeah.
thank you for watching the first video of the hobby channel. And this is going to be one of our biggest projects to date, with no budget, no tools, and no idea. For anyone wondering, there will be a throne wish list up soon with ways to donate, gift us tools that we need, and anything else that you feel we might need along the way. Just want to say, during the next few videos, hopefully we'll find some better microphones that will work better and it's not as windy outside, so you can hear us a bit more clearly. A lot of footage, the audio was shot and was unable to be used, which is why we've got quite a long montage with some piece of music in the background. I just want to say thank you all again for watching. Welcome to the hobby channel. Welcome to the no tools, no budget K24 mini swap build. Hopefully you enjoy the journey that we go through, because we will be learning as we go everything from doing an ABS delete, doing power steering delete, installing the engine, prepping the engine bay for the engine, doing wiring, upgrading here and there. So yeah, I want to say thank you to everyone for watching. We'll see you on the next one. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up and also subscribe, because there will be fishing and model trains coming soon as well. Take it easy, people. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.